Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How have you guys been? I'm doing well, thank God, and I hope you guys are doing well too. My name is Chika, for those of you who don't know me. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and please do not leave without subscribing. I'm equally a makeup artist and I'm a pharmacist as well. I make beautiful videos for you guys to see, watch and enjoy. So anyways, today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created the beautiful look you guys saw before this. Okay, the beautiful look I dropped before this, you guys haven't seen how I created it. It's a nude makeup tutorial, a tutorial like a makeup like you guys can rock anywhere. You can seriously rock it anywhere, like as an everyday look. You can rock it as an everyday look. You can rock it to an Owambe, a wedding or wherever. Okay, you can rock it anywhere. You can either tone it down or step it all up the way I'm gonna do, but either ways you can rock it anyway. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I created this look. So let's jump right in. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be moisturizing my face, and I'm using, let me show you guys. So I'm using this is Zikel Cosmetics 24K golden ampoule something. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using. Let me show you guys. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using to moisturize my face. My face is all clean already. It's clean, but let me just use this paper towel to just damp any excess oil on my face. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in for you guys to see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm not putting too much, just a reasonable quantity because it takes a while to dry. So I don't want to put too much on. I'm going to be using my flat brush. This brush is from, where did I get this brush from? This brush is from House of Tara. Yeah. When I went to makeup school at House of Tara. That's how long I've had this brush. That was since 2013 actually. And it has served well. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. See, honestly, I might just do this off camera and come back. So you know what, I'm going to do this off camera and come back. So if you want to see my foundation routine, I'll just leave it down in the description box or somewhere up here for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm done with skin work, like everything looking all fresh. So I'm done with the skin work. Like I said, if you want to see how I do my foundation routine and all that, I'll leave it up here or down in the description box, so check it out. So now we're going to move on to the eyes. I've done the brows, everything. I think I need to do an updated brow routine out. I have one on my channel, so you can check that out too, to be in the description box. But I think I'm going to do an updated brow routine. You guys tell me if you want to see it. So now moving on to the eye. You know we're doing everything nude. Okay, so I'm going to be using this palette. This palette is from Makeup Revolution. I don't even know if they still go by that name. I don't know what the new name is. This is from their chocolate or I love you something collection. I'll try and leave it on the screen here. I'll be using this particular shade. It doesn't have a name, but you can see this gold shade. This kind of matches my skin color, so I want to use something that is just going to be exactly or at least close to my skin color because we're doing nude, baby. It's nude, baby. So I'm going to be using this. I've already primed my eye with just concealer, then we'll go with the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a brush to just blend it all out so that it doesn't crease. Make sure you smoothing it out. So this is where my mirror is, just in case I'm looking there. I forgot to put powder under the eye, so I'm just going to put setting powder under the eye to catch any fallout. So you guys can see that you can't even really notice it because it kind of matches me. Okay, it blends with me. So that's what you want to do. You want to look for a shade that really blends with your skin because we're going skin. Okay, skin, baby. So whenever I'm applying my eyeshadow, I always look up to see where the eyeshadow gets up to. That's where I'll be applying my eyeshadow up to. So you can see it went all the way here. So we'll take it here, and as I'm doing that, I'm just blending it out a little bit. Oh my god, I love this color. Jesus, it's just so, I can't explain it. I just love it. Okay, so with that same palette, I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade. So I'll be using this tiny brush. I just want it by the edge here. Okay, I don't like the effect this brush is giving me. I'll switch to something else. So I've switched to this. Because honestly, I want it to be there and not be there at the same time. So I'm just going to go in circles. I'm just going to be by the end. It's going to be here. I'm going to take it, remember to blend a here. So I'll switch over to a fluffy brush to blend everything out. I'll be using this shade here. So guys, can you see? It's barely there. Okay, so I'm just going to dust off the excess powder and go into every other thing. So I'm just going to apply gel liner under my eye. This gel liner, I've had it for the longest time. Where I even got it from, I don't know. I think I got it from a random supermarket, something like that. And I can't, the name, Girl Fashion or something like that. So I don't even know if you guys can get it anywhere. But I mean, any gel liner would do. I know some people are so like, some people just tear up a lot when you're applying this, but somehow I don't. But some people, I'm like tearing up, but like not so bad. Yeah, my eyes are red now. But anyway, anywho, moving on. So now I'm just gonna apply mascara. Where is my mascara? Okay, I even forgot to show you guys the mascara I'm using. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara. I've had this mascara like since 2018, and the mascara has really served me. Like, it has really served me. Okay. Anyways, moving on. I can hear noise. Hope that's not Brian trying to wake up or come out of the room. Okay, so next blush, and I'm using the Milani Tea Rose Powder blush in Tea Rose, and this is 08. This is another thing I've had for like the longest time. I can't even remember like how long, but I know I've had it for a while. So when you want to apply blush, you just smell baby, and then apply here. So we're going really light, like everything we're using is really light because we're trying to be nude, baby. We're trying to be nude. Then moving on to highlights, I'm also using this. This is equally from Makeup Revolution. This is the Revolution Makeup Shimmer Brick Rose Gold. So I've had this for a long time, so I don't even know if they still sell it. I'll check their website if it's still there, but this stuff is really good, like really good. That's even broken. That's how much I've used it. So I'm just gonna spray my TM Essentials Glow Mist has already finished. I need to get more. I'm just gonna spray it on my brush, and then so I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend out all the highlights. Everything blends out and your highlight doesn't look harsh. So I'm going to be using this brown gel liner. This is the same gel liner as the black one. This one is just brown. So I'm going to be using that to line my lips because I hardly use it for my brows or anything. So I'll use it to line my lips. And then we'll go from there. So I'll use the back of the brush and then just blend everything out. So I'm going to go in with this concealer, this MAC concealer in NC.M42 to put it on my lips. I'm going to put it on my lips using my lip brush. I'm trying to find one. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to use the same back of the brush, but I've cleaned it already, and I'll apply that on my lips. So you're going to do a lot of blending, like a lot of blending to get what you want. So you can decide to leave it like this or apply lip gloss on it, which I'm definitely going to be doing. So what I was doing was just using the same brush I used to apply the lip liner to just blend out. You know, we don't want to exactly miss our liner, so I just use that to outline it a little bit more. I'm going to be topping this off with lip gloss. So I'm going to be using 2 lip glosses. I'll use this one and then I'll use a plain lip gloss, but depending on the effect I get, I'll see if I still need to use a plain lip gloss. So this lip gloss is from, honestly, I don't know. And I love this lip gloss so much. Like, I love this lip gloss so much. I want to even get another one when it finishes, but I don't even know the name. It has cleaned out or something. Like, I don't know. Okay guys, so I've fixed my lashes off camera and I'm back here. So that completes the whole look. I just put on some necklace for you guys. So this is the final look. I really love the way this look turned out. This is really natural, nude. Like, you can't really see anything. Everything is just skin. So this is what I like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Okay, we need to grow this channel, you guys. We need to grow it. Okay, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more. Okay, and if you haven't watched my last video, which was a vlog, please, it's gonna be in the description box. Please watch it. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me and sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Mwah.